You know, drama, chaos, and confusion at polling places across Hamilton County after a court ruling to keep the polls open 90 extra minutes. We have team coverage on this tonight. Julie O'Neill has a look at the tough moments as poll workers discovered they were staying longer tonight. But first, Julie Dolan with a look at the voting problems that sparked that last-minute injunction to keep those polls open longer. And she was inside the courtroom as the judge ruled on the injunction. And Julie, already tonight we saw a delay in getting results as a result of this injunction, and some results we won't actually get for days.
Well, that's right, Craig, because all of the ballots cast after the original 7:30 closing time at the polls here in Hamilton County were cast as provisional ballots. That means, according to state law, they won't be counted for 10 days. But according to those who filed today's injunction, the delay was well worth it.
I was concerned that people weren't able to vote, and so that was the reason that I asked Eric to file the complaint.
The injunction was filed around 5 this evening, citing problems at polling places that were so great some people weren't able to vote. That's why Eric Kearney, who's a senior advisor for Responsible Ohio, asked for a 1.5-hour extension for voters in Hamilton County.
They got turned away from the polls. They got told to come back later. This is something that we're hearing just in Hamilton County with this new electronic system.
Kearney's injunction specifically notes problems with the new electronic tablets Hamilton County poll workers used to sign voters in, saying some voters' IDs weren't scanning properly, thus not allowing them to check in and cast a ballot. Meanwhile, members of the Hamilton County Board of Elections argued that there was ample time to vote and anyone who reported a problem was tended to and had the chance to cast a ballot.
Before us today is no evidence about one person that has not been able to vote if he or she wanted to.
After hearing both sides, Judge Robert Ruhlman granted the extension.
Just to be fair, make sure everybody gets a chance to vote. I think that's the right decision. That's what I want to do.
It really upends operations at the Board of Elections. Very disappointed in this decision.